close, you might say. Samoa, yo, what's the dilly? I represent the 684, try to uplift it like a Philly. If you're really down for my team, it's my pleasure. Let it be known, action's what is measured, and not by the words you speak. If you spoke, no one hurt you. It's like you label stress as being doja, you just frontin' on it. Shut your mouth and put a button on it, cause I'm about to give you something that you really wanted. Ask me if I'm proud of who I be. I answer you that on Samoan Islands and their peoples is my family. Surrounding me cause I gives it to you real. You bob your head cause you feeling what I feel. Relax with me, and if it caters to your appetite, words can't explain the truthfulness of paradise.
One day in paradise,
just another day in paradise.
ain't got no meaning in this style of life. One day in paradise, there it sure feels good to be home.
Might be 96 degrees in the shade with a little bit of breeze, with sometimes rain. I ain't complaining cause the climate always staying the same. This the track that I dropped to remember I came. I maintain that the beauty of it, never lose it when we straight, but take advantage and the whole place disintegrates. Cause understand that this here land is what I call God's little garden surrounded with sand. It's paradise with stars like neon lights. So awake if I feel bubble cause you ain't never right. Just enjoy the loveliness provided, cause if you try to fight it, snap will be divided, and it's over as we now know it. When fools start to sell out, then sooner or later they start to bail out, unless we can do it right. So let's keep it tight, a one-way ticket, a rendezvous to paradise.
One day in paradise,
just another day in paradise.
ain't got no meaning in this style of life.
Day in paradise.
One day in paradise, there it sure feels good to be home.
Now take a good look and see my true colors. All I'm trying to do is represent to the fullest. I loves my land, I loves my peoples. For every generations of homos is a sequel to a long-lasting paradise. So go and make a sacrifice, take this mission to new heights, and I guarantee we'll all feel it. See, cause hating tends to kill it, when not even pride can come to hit it. Sit like your last breath, I keep it coming till there's nothing left. Last life blinks to death, and I'm still wearing it on the sleeve. With time I saw my morning tatted on the back, catch the breeze, commence to ease. I'ma lay back, oh so say please. And if you wanna get in, I got your keys. But enjoy for free, this be your welcome at the paradise. Now can you feel me?
One day in paradise,
just another day in paradise.
in this style.
One day, one day
in paradise.
Damn, it sure feels good to be home, 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 home. One day at a time. Paradise 684 represent. And won't you stand up and act like you know?
Check it out, check it out.
Yeah, it's for my peoples.